If you spend a lot of time on the grill, then you know you're always looking for extra prep space or even storage for out on the patio. Well, today, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how to build a grill cart that not only looks great, but it's also super practical. Here's how. Once you've determined the length, width, and height, cut plywood for the base and sides. Now rim the base using 2x4s. Use exterior glue and screws. Attach the 3 sides of the cart, leaving the door front open. Hide the base when attaching the sides. Now connect the 2 sides. Position the top support backed off the front by 3/4 of an inch. Attach with screws. Measure and cut plywood for the doors and shelf. Attach supports on 3 sides for the shelf. Be sure to inset the side pieces 3/4 of an inch from the door front. While you're at it, add a trim piece to the front of your shelf to cover the rough edge. Prime and paint all surfaces inside and out, even the bottom. Paint both sides of the doors. This will add an extra layer of protection as well as a background when we add the decorative battens. While the box dries, let's build the top. Cut a piece of plywood. Dry lay the tile on the plywood and frame using 1x2 flush around it. Attach the miter frame using glue and nails. Attach the top to the box, securing all 4 sides. Attach 2 battens on either side of the open front, flush to the corners. Attach the doors to the inside frame with hinges. Build the remaining corners using the battens. Once attached, calculate the distance between the corners and divide equally. Attach the battens all around, spacing out evenly along the sides, back, and doors. Carefully flip the cart over onto its side and attach the casters to the base with screws. Lock the wheels before flipping it back. Your cart is now ready for tiling. Using a notched trowel, apply a thin set mortar to the plywood. Lay an uncoupling membrane on top, then add another layer of mortar. Now, position and press the tile pattern into place and let dry. Apply grout in between the tile and around the frame. Wipe the surface clean multiple times to remove all grout residue and haze. Once everything is dry, fill any screw holes with wood filler, lightly sand and seal the entire wood surface area with an exterior clear coat. Pick up a few galvanized pipe pieces and make a pull handle for the cart. Spray paint the assembled handle, let dry. Attach the pull handle to complete. Now this, I can work with. I love the extra storage space and this hidden door feature, and this tile work, it's gonna make the neighbors jealous. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I hope you enjoy all the extra prep space for your summer barbecues. See you next time.